Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 10 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. The water level rose blank the seats. A. From. B. Over. C. About. Correct answer, over, to show something exceeding a level. Water poured blank the broken windows. A. Before. B. Through. C. Under. Correct answer, through, to show movement. They met blank dinner in the main hall. A. For. B. Before. C. Near. Correct answer, before, to show time. Rose found a blanket blank she was rescued. A. Before. B. Near. C. After. Correct answer, after, to show time. Cal threw the necklace blank Jack's coat pocket. A. Among. B. Into. C. Below. Correct answer, into, for movement from outside to inside. Like, comment and subscribe.